Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in beauty and personal care. Today, we have an exciting product to review: the eSalon Permanent Hair Color and Hair Dye Kit in Dark Brown Copper Mahogany. If you're looking for the best dark copper hair dye that provides stunning color with professional-grade results, this is a must-watch. Whether you want to cover grays or simply enhance your hair color, this kit has everything you need to achieve a gorgeous, salon-worthy look right at home. First off, let's talk about the eSalon Personal Colorist Kit. Unlike typical boxed dyes, this product is handcrafted for all hair types and designed to give you multi-dimensional color that looks natural and vibrant. It's ammonia-free, so it's much gentler on your hair while still providing up to 100% gray coverage, making it ideal for those of us with pesky grays that need to be hidden. The dark brown copper mahogany shade is perfect for anyone who wants a rich, reddish-brown color with a coppery shine that's both bold and sophisticated. What's great about this kit is that it includes everything you need for the perfect application. In the box, you'll find the hair color, developer, a stain guard, stain remover, 2 pairs of non-latex gloves, and both a shampoo and conditioner sachet. Plus, the easy-to-follow instructions ensure you can apply it with confidence. You also get direct access to eSalon's licensed colorists, so if you have any questions, help is just a call away. The formula is enriched with nourishing ingredients like quinoa, jojoba esters, aloe vera, keratin, and silk amino acids. These ingredients work together to lock in color and hydrate your hair, leaving it shiny, soft, and healthy looking. This is a big plus, especially since traditional dyes can often leave hair feeling dry or brittle. But with eSalon, you're getting professional quality color with a conditioner boost that leaves your hair feeling as good as it looks. Now, let's talk about the process. Applying the color is simple. Just mix the color and developer, then apply to your hair. After you leave it on for about 35 minutes, you can rinse it out and style as usual. It's that easy to get vibrant, copper-toned hair at home. Plus, the results last for weeks, keeping your color rich and full. Overall, eSalon's Permanent Hair Color Kit is an excellent option for anyone looking for the best dark copper hair dye. It's perfect for gray coverage, it's easy to use, and it leaves your hair feeling luxurious. So if you're ready to embrace a bold new look or just want to cover those grays, this is definitely a product worth trying. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and beauty tips. See you in the next video.